This is the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Here on the side you have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and this is the 46mm version. And here on the front you have Galaxy Watch 4 Classic as well, with the image of the watch itself. I can definitely say the packaging of this is really nice. I really like the basic and simplicity of this. Not too much going on, just simple and clean, and that's always my type of thing. Removing the cover reveal the watch, and under the lid you will find your charger to charge the device and also some paperwork. And as usual, the manuals are there to help you if you're having issues setting up your device. So don't be that person to throw away your manuals, guys. So the screen size of this is 1.4 millimeters, and it has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and the battery capacity of this is 361 milliamp hour. And this also has a Super AMOLED display, and this is the Wi-Fi GPS model as well. And also this has Gorilla Glass XD, and you can also get this in the stainless steel framing or titanium, which is the one I have here. It's also IP68 water resistant, so you can definitely get some splash or even go swimming with this, and it should be fine. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a ECG blood pressure monitoring to monitor your blood pressure levels as well, and I can definitely see myself wearing this on a daily basis because of how classic this looks. And on the side here you will find your home and power button, which you can use to turn off the device or even reset it to factory settings. And on the back is where you can find your ECG monitoring. And the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a rotating bezel which you can use to navigate throughout the device if you don't want to use the touch screen to do so. And I will be doing a full review on this device as well, so you know what to do. Make sure you're sub to the channel and have post notifications on, so you'll be the first to see my videos when I upload. And until next time, I will definitely catch you guys in my next one.